Okay, so welcome back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this example to show you what I call, or what is called, the division algorithm. Okay, so it's a four-step process by how we divide larger numbers. Okay, so this is the way it works. So we're going to write it in this way. We're going to say 96 divided by 8, so 96 divided by 8. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the leftmost number. Okay, so in this case, the tens place. Okay, so we're going to divide, and in this case, we're going to start with divide. We're going to find the digit that 8 will go into, the first digit that 8 will go into, which is 9. So how many times does 8 go into 9? So 9 divided by 8, right? So 8 goes into 9 how many times? 1 time. So we're going to put 1 right above the 9. Okay? Now notice that I'm putting the 1 in the same place value, in the tens column. Okay? So now, what's the next step? Now I'm going to multiply. 8 times 1 equals what? 8. And I'm going to put 8 right there. And now I'm going to subtract. Now, 9 minus 8 is what? 1. And the last step, step number 4, is I'm going to drop down. I'm going to move over in place value to the right and drop the next digit down, which is the 6. So I'm going to drop the 6 down. Now I start the whole process over. Now I'm going to divide 8 into 16. Well, how many times does 8 go into 16? 2. And then I'm going to multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to put 16 right here. Now I'm going to subtract. And 16 minus 16 is 0. And now, since I've reached the last one, and the fact that I reached the 0 here, I'm done. So what does this tell me? It tells me that 8 times 12 equals 96. So 96 divided by 8 equals 12. And that's how it works. And that's the division algorithm. So the four-step process is 1, you divide, 2, multiply, 3, what? Subtract, and then 4, drop down. And you repeat this process until you either get to the ones column, where you finish the ones column, or until you reach remainder, whichever one comes first, okay? When you're dealing with whole numbers. Okay, we'll do some more. Have a great day.